Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can set up Loox Reviews on your Shopify website. So first off, you'll need to install the Loox Reviews app, and you can do that by going here, Add Apps, and then scroll down and then go down on Shopify App Store. There. Wait for it to load, and now let's just search up Loox. It'll be the one that comes up here, Loox Product Reviews app. Let's just install. Let it load, and then you can see what the app has access to. It can view personal data of customers, store owner, and content providers, and you can also view and edit store data as well. No problem. Let's just install. After it's installed, you'll be prompted with this. You can use Loox for free, but of course, it's limited. But it's okay. We're just going to keep using Loox free, or you can choose a plan if you want. I'm going to keep using Loox free, and then it'll guide us through the setup. Let's go through it. Let's continue. And then what's your store primary language? I'm going to say English. Make it pop. You can customize the widget here. You can change the color, the icon style. I'm going to keep it as is. And then when should we ask for reviews? I'm going to ask it 14 days after fulfillment. So after the customer receives the product, it'll ask for reviews 14 days later. Here, we can offer a discount for submitting photo and video reviews. So we can do 15% off or 10% off. I'm going to do 10% for videos and 15% for videos. Now let's set up a referrals program. Let's continue. We can this post-purchase referrals widget, display referrals widget after purchase. Let's just continue. On-site referrals widget. Let's continue. Still, let's continue again. And then let's add Loox to our team. Just press this. It'll redirect you onto your customizable website. Make sure it's turned on here. And then it'll say Loox core script activated. And as you can see, now the widget appears on our website on the right hand side here. Now let's continue setting it up. And now we can add the product reviews widget to our store. Let's just press this button, add products review widget. Now if we scroll down, as you can see, now the reviews has been added. Let's go back, let's continue, skip. We can also add a rating widget to our store. We can do that as well. Let's add a rating widget. Wait for it to load. And as you can see, the rating widget has been added. Now let's go back. Let's continue again. Let's just skip. And now our Loox review is complete.